Our today's chapter name is What is Matter? Part 1. So, how can we define matter? Matter is anything that occupies the space, has mass, and can be perceived by our senses. What matter is made up of? Matter is made up of tiny particles called molecules. The arrangement of molecules is different in solids, liquids, and gases. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Let's learn about solids. Solids have definite shape and size. They have weight and occupies space. Therefore, they have a fixed mass and definite volume. Solids can be hard or soft, smooth or rough, crystalline or powdered. Properties of solids. The molecules in solids are closely packed. Space between the molecules is very less. Therefore, force of attraction is strong. Some examples of solid are bangles, table, tire, etc. Liquids. Liquids do not have a definite shape. They take the shape of the container, but they have definite volume. Properties of liquids are: the molecules in liquids are far apart. The space between the molecule is large. Force of attraction between the molecules is weak. Some examples of liquids are juice, water, oil, milk, soft drinks, vinegar, etc. Another state of matter is gases. Gases do not have a definite shape or volume but have definite weight. They take the shape of the container when they are filled in any object. Properties of gases are: the molecules in gases are very far apart. Space between them is very large. Force of attraction between the molecules is very weak. Some examples of gases are spray, perfume, gas cylinders, etc. Matter changes from one state to another. The process of changing of ice into water is called melting. The process of changing of water to water vapor is called evaporation. The process of changing of water to ice is called freezing. When the vapor or steam is cooled, it changes again to droplets of water. This process is called condensation. Here is a summary of change of states in solid, liquid and gases. Thank you for watching.